Hello, I hope you're following. Let's move on in our study on place value. Now, I gave you the first one, which is you have 6 digits number, and we said that the first one to your right, the place value is units. The second one is tens, while the third one is hundred. Now, that number 2 occupies the place value of thousand, while the place value of 1 is 10,000. 4 is in the position of 100,000. So don't forget that. So, but what if you have more than 6 digits number? I say 6 digit number because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second example I'm giving has how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a 9 digits number because I have 9 digits in that single number. So how do you identify or how do you name the place value? The first 6 one remain the same. It's the same as what we have been learning. So 2 occupies the place of ones or units. 8 occupies the place value of of tens, while 6 occupies the place value of 100. 2 is in the place value of 1000, while the place value of 4 is 10,000. Don't forget. Now 7 is in 100,000, while 5 is in the place value of million. So what I'm showing to you now, the new thing I'm bringing to you now is that after the 6th number, the 7th one takes the place value of million. The place value of 5 in this case is million, while the place value of the next one after that, which is 1, is 10 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Don't forget, look at it. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here you have million, 10 million, 100 million. So don't forget it. If you want to make it clear to yourself, if you are given a number, you want to know how many digits do I have in this number. The first thing you do is, count it from your right, 1, 2, 3, and put a comma. 1, 2, 3 again, put a comma, so that you know you are starting with units or ones. The second one is tens. The third one is 100. The fourth one is 1,000. The fifth one is 10,000. The sixth one is 100,000. And then the seventh one is, the seventh number there is million. So don't forget. And also, the eighth number is 10 million. That is, immediately after million, you have 10 million. And after 10 million, you have 100 million. So don't forget, just write the place value as you are asked to do, as I'm going to ask you to do also. Please do it well. Go over the video again. Listen to the explanation again. It's straightforward. You're going to get it. What is the place value of 7? That's an exercise I'm bringing to you. Look at it. What's the place value of 7 in this whole number? The whole number there. How many digits do I have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. Then for the second one, put a 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. That's going to guide you on to identify the position each of those number occupy. So don't mix it up. So in the first example I'm giving to you, what is the place value of 7? Now, 6 occupies the place value of ones. The place value of 8 is tens. The place value of 4 is 100. The place value of 3 is 1,000. The place value of 9 is 10,000. The place value of 3 here, the second 3 that I have in this number, is 100,000. And the place value of 7 here is, what is that? Million. After 100,000, what you have is million. So just write simply, in a simple manner, the place value of 7 here is million. The second example, what's the place value of 8 in that number? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1,000. The seventh one is million. And the next one after that is 10 million. So just write the answer for me. I'll be happy to see the correct answer. So I hope you got the correct answer. The right answer there is the place value of 7 is million, while for number 2, the place value of 8 is 10 million. So put it correctly, and I'm going to give you another exercise to work on. That is, I want you to be familiar with the place value of million and 10 million and 100 million, so that you move a little bit ahead. So the exercise you want to do for me is, you study this number. This is a 9-digit number. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. So don't forget the first one, the place value is units, or you call it ones. The place value of the second one is tens. The third one, 100. The fourth one, 1,000. The fifth one, 10,000. The sixth one is 100,000. And the seventh one we said is what? Don't forget, look at it here. The seventh number is million, and the eighth number is 10 million. The ninth number is 100 million. So I want you to write out the place value of each of this number from the same number. 6. What's the place value of 6? Get it. What the place value of 6 is? The place value of 5. What's the place value of 5? This is 5 here. Now, what's the place value of 4? You can see 4. What's the place value of 2? That's referring to 2. And what's the place value of 3 in that? So you give your answer and then you send it to me. I mark for you. Well done. So you can pause the video. What you do, you write your own answer and wait. After now, you're going to get the correct answer. I'm going to write the correct answer for you on the board. Now you can see your answer. Your answer now, the place value of 6 is 100,000. 100,000. Now the place value of 5 is 100 million. That's the number there. That's the ninth number, 100 million. The place value of 3 is 1,000. So the place value of 4 rather, I have 2 of that. I have a 4 here and I have another 4 there. So the place value of 4, I have 1,000 and I have 10 million. So you can write that. You write 1,000 and 10 million. Those are the place values of 4. And then the place value of 2, that's number 4, is 10,000. While the place value of 3 is million. The place value of 3 is million. So I can ask you to find the place value of a number. Now, let's say we have more than 9 digits. We have 12 digits now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 digits. So immediately after your 1,000, you get to digits, the place value called million. After million, you have 10 million. After 10 million, you have 100 million. And then after that, immediately after 100 million, the next digit is called billion. And after billion, you have 10 billion. And the 12th number there occupies the place value called 100 billion. For now, on place value, that's where you're going to stop. So you study from the first one, unit or ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. That's how you identify. So you make sure you count very well. Like I said the other time, put your comma so that it's going to save you from making mistake. Put a comma there. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma, and then that is going to help you a lot. Don't forget, after 100 you reach 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. After that you reach million, 100 million, million, 10 million, 100 million. After that you reach billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, I'm going to give you something to do. You're going to write it out since you have an example already. So the exercise I want you to do is to find the place value of 5 in this number, the place value of 8 in this same number, the place value of 7 in this number, and the place value of 2, and the place value of 1 in the same number. So look for it, count it from the right, from your right. Don't forget the first one is units or ones. The second one is tens. 0 occupies the place of 100. 9 occupies the place of 1,000. 4 the place of 10,000. 5 the place of 100,000. 6, you need to know, check the example. That is the 7th number. The 7th number from your right occupies the place of what? Check it from the example I gave you. And also the 8th number, that is the one after 6. What's the place value of this number? What's the place value of this? What's the place value of this? What's the place value of this? From the example given to you, you can find the place value of that and write your answer, and you can pause and then come back to check what the correct answer is. So if you have done it correctly, you see that 5 is in the place value, that's the place value of 10 million, is in the position of 10 million. And then 8 is in the position of billion. Look at it. Immediately after million, you reach billion. So this is billion, 8 billion. And 7 occupies the place value 10 billion. 2 is in the position of 100 million. Don't forget. And then 1 is in the place value of 100 billion. That is 1, the 12th number there. So don't forget, put it in your mind, and then you can go on to over and over, you learn more. So far we've been studying how to write your place value in words. You see that what we've been writing it in word. The place value of 6 here, we wrote it as 100,000. The place value of 5, we wrote it as 100 million. So what if you are asked to write it in figure? You want to write it in figure, put it in figure form. That is in number form. How do you do that? That's the next thing we want to do now. So you watch the next one on place value, the next video on place value. Thank you.